guys, today I will show you how to install Ultimaker CURA software and how to configure it. Just Google it, open a website, click download for free, choose one of this one, and after downloading just install it, click next and so on. And after installing you just open CURA software and you will see something like this. You should choose a non-Ultimaker printer. You should click add a non-networked printer. From this list you should find Creality 3D and choose the exact model of the 3D printer. It will be Creality Ender 3. Just add it. Next, and here you can find the workspace. Also you will need to import printing profile, which I'll give you. Here you can see import. This is it will be our printing profile. Open it. Successfully imported. Just click OK. After that you will need to choose it from this list. Here you can see our imported profile. Okay, just after this you can drag and drop your 3D model into workspace. And you don't need to change anything here, it's already pre-configured. Just slice it. After slicing you can find here time and material consumption of this model. And if professor will give you limitations of the time and material, and if your figures numbers is fitting these limitations, you can just insert your SD card and save direct to your SD card. Here you can find the name of your file. Just eject it and you can move to the part 2.